A chunk of garlic bread. I cannot make any kind of toast or bread product without burning it. So I literally have a stunt toaster. If you watch my show, you know her name. Jeanette. Thank you. Jeanette. All right, so Jeanette, I'm gonna roll balls. Jeanette's gonna toast bread. When I make garlic bread, I toast the bread first, then douse it with the butter and top it with the cheese and toast it again so that it's extra crunchy and delicious. So she's gonna babysit the garlic bread. I'm gonna roll balls and I'll meet you back here in a couple. Okay. Jeanette brought back the charred bread. So, olive oil, EVOO, and melted butter that I've cooked up with a ton of garlic. I'm gonna slather the bread. And then Parmigiano-Reggiano. Woo! Woo! And then look, this makes it so healthy, we're putting on something green. Some parsley. It's a vegetable. Jeanette! Now Jeanette's gonna go melt the cheese on the toast. Thank you, Jeanette. Jeanette! Okay, now for our super quick, super spicy, tangy sauce. Chew the onion and garlic with salt and pepper cooked out in the olive oil. We add a couple of fat squirts, ooh, new tube, of sun-dried tomato paste. Now that the paste is at work and ready to go, we're going to add a shot of wine, red wine, or the red vermouth, a little oregano, a little crushed red pepper flake, and crushed, whole, diced, whatever, Italian tomatoes. Pour that in there. And then let this cook out a little bit. Let the tomatoes break down. When we come back, we'll see Jeanette's bread. We'll retrieve the ricotta and chicken meatballs and let them roll around and play in the sauce. So dinner, basically, next. Okay, Jeanette brought back beautifully toasted garlic bread.